Hello and welcome to Orchid School. I am Mrs. Shabana Naushad Sayyed, class teacher of Standard 7. Today we are going to learn a beautiful poem. Term 1, Unit 1. Past, Present, Future. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. An autumn evening soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. Tell me, what is the present hour? A green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits gathering its power to mount and fly away. And what is the future, happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea, stretching into infinity. Written by Emily Bronte. Emily Bronte and her sisters were well-known authors who lived in 19th century. In the poem Past, Present, Future, the poet Emily Bronte asks a child what the past, present and future looks like to him. In an innocent manner, the child describes the nature that he associates with each of these time frames. Let us study some word meanings, which will make it easier for us to understand the poem. Autumn, a season before winter when trees lose their leaves, the season of fall. Beneath, under. Dazzling, something that leaves you in awe, extremely beautiful. Glorious, something that is worthy of receiving praise. Infinity, that has no end. Mighty, huge and powerful in an impressive way. Mount, to get on something, to climb. Mournfully, in a sad, unhappy manner. Sighs, to let out a long breath, slowly to express sadness. Spray, here a small branch of a tree bearing flowers. The old English word for the word you. Let us begin with the first stanza. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. An autumn evening soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. When he is asked about the past, the child who is smiling says that it is like an autumn evening where the wind lets out a breath in grief. The past for the child is something that he remembers with longing and a little sadness. The falling of leaves and the mournful sigh of the wind convey that the child is unhappy because the past has passed and he cannot go back to it. This picture shows us the season of autumn. In the autumn, the leaves from the trees fall. This is also called as the season of fall. Second stanza. Tell me what is the present hour? A green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits gathering its power to mount and fly away. When the child is asked about the present hour, he says that it is like springtime, with greenery and flowers around, where a young bird on a branch of a tree is just learning to fly. The present for the child is full of possibilities and something that he wants to take chances in. He is gathering his strength and looking forward to head into the world. Let us see the third stanza. And what is the future? Happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea stretching into infinity. When he is asked about the future, the happy child says that it is like the unknown vast sea that has stretched far and wide under the bright sun. We cannot see the end of a sea, and the child associates this imagery with future. According to him, the future is magnificent, exciting, and mysterious, and he is keen on exploring it.